Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Shiny, and in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my small H&M haul. Like not small, I got in total 9 items from H&M. कुछ items मैंने अक्टूबर में खरीदी थी and कुछ items मैंने recent खरीदी है, and I really wanted to do this H&M haul and share it with you guys, my experiences and my overall reviews and all, because I personally love watching haul videos and I thought I should make one because I really love one. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy watching it, and now let's get into the video. But before that, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle and this is my Instagram feed. Also I'm hosting a giveaway right now, so if you haven't participated yet then please participate. And yeah, now let's get into the video. This was my first time I had bought something from H&M. इससे पहले मुझे लगता था कि H&M का मतलब ही है like एक्सपेंसिव चीज़ें, बट ऐसा नहीं है. यू विल फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग इन योर बजट, आई स्वेयर, बिकॉज मुझे भी ज़्यादा लाइक एक्सपेंसिव चीज़ें पसंद नहीं है. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू कीप स्क्रोलिंग एंड अच्छे से आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा, तो आपको ज़रूर आपके बजट में कुछ ना कुछ मिल ही जाएगा आपके पसंद के. नाउ आई हैव गॉट एवरीथिंग इन दिस 2 बिग बॉक्सेस एंड आई गॉट एवरीथिंग इन 5 days. सो या दैट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट कि आपको 5 दिन के अंदर सब मिल ही जाता है. एनीवे, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द हॉल. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग आई गॉट इज दिस वेरी बेसिक white t-shirt or top or whatever you can say. It has this long sleeves and it's very basic. I will literally put every product links in the description, so don't forget to check the description box. मेरे पास ऐसे white round neck basic top नहीं थी इससे पहले, and literally every girl should own something like this because it's so versatile and you can style it in so many ways. So yeah, I had to get this one. Now I am in the size small and the material is super soft, like can you see this? And super comfortable and cozy, but the material is not too thick. It's a little transparent but not that transparent. It fits me perfectly and the overall fit is body hugging. So yeah, and the price of this one was 699 rupees, which is like great deal for this kind of material. So definitely check this one out. And इसके बहुत सारे कलर की वैराइटीज़ भी आपको मिल जाएगा. H&M पे बहुत सारे बेसिक थिंग्स है. You can literally buy any basics from H&M and the quality is super amazing. So the next item I got is this yellow puff sleeve top. I think you might have seen me wearing this in my previous videos. So yeah, this is what the top looks like. I don't know what it's called, but ऐसे यहाँ पे cutouts है. But don't worry, body के साइड पे यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा नीचे कपड़ा दिया हुआ है, so नीचे कुछ नहीं दिखेगा. But hand पे यहाँ पे कुछ कपड़ा नहीं है, like you can see. And I am in the size 4. like वहाँ पे size chart में I think 3-4 ऐसे दी थी. But when I got this one, तब इसके एक ही size available थी, which was 4 size. I was not sure what size was that, because H&M की एक चीज़ मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगी, वो है उनकी साइज़ गाइड. इट्स लिटिल कन्फ्यूजिंग, लाइक नॉट लिटिल, मुझे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आती थी. बट आई लव दिस टॉप सो मच, सो आई वॉज लाइक यू नो वॉट, जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा, लेट्स बाय इट नाउ. So I got it and I was so lucky because it fits me perfectly. The material is not at all stretchable, like can you see? So it was little risky, not little, it was very risky. The sleeves are super puffy and the neckline is sweetheart neckline, which makes the top more cute. And सामने यहाँ पे इलास्टिक दी हुई है, एंड ऑल्सो शोल्डर में एंड स्लीव्स के एंड पे भी इलास्टिक्स है. एंड द प्राइस ऑफ दिस वन इज़ अ लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव. इट्स नाउ फॉर आई थिंक 1400 rupees, like 1399 rupees. But when I got this, it was on sale, so it was for like 1000 rupees, like 999. So yeah, I got this in cheaper price. The next item I got is this lavender knitted sweater, jumper or whatever. Okay, it's not sweater kind of material. The material is thin, like not super thin, but it's thin, but still it gives you super cozy and warm and comfortable vibe. So yeah, also the material is super soft again, guys. Like, see this color is so much trending right now, and it has become one of my favorite color. By the way, I couldn't find this particular one because I think it's out of stock now, but iska other colors bhi hai, so I will be link the product in the description box, so definitely go check that out. It has this round neck and it's a little cropped, so आप पूरा इन करके भी पहन सकते हो और ऐसे थोड़ी पार्ट इन करके भी पहन सकते हो. It will look super cute. It gives such a cozy vibe, but if you want to wear this in proper winter, I will suggest इसके नीचे आप कोई thick material वाला टॉप पहन के उसके ऊपर ये पहन सकते हो. The price of this knitted jumper was 799 rupees. The quality is super good, like super soft and super good, so the price you are paying is definitely worth it. So yeah, definitely go check this one out. So the next item I got is this red puff sleeve top. I know it's quite similar to the yellow one, but इसका neckline ऐसे sweetheart neckline नहीं है, इसका straight neckline है. And apart from that, the material is stretchable. Like इसकी body का material बहुत stretchable है. Like wait, let me show you guys. The body and the sleeve material both are different, and this is what the backside looks like. The quality is super soft and comfortable, and I am in the size extra small, and the price of this one was 799 rupees. Also आप इसको off shoulder करके भी पहन सकते हो and it will look super cute. The next item I got is this black drawstring top. It has to be my favorite. The moment I saw this top in their website, I was like, I have to get this one, but तब ये out of stock थी, but I keep stocking and finally मुझे ये top मिल गई. So I am so happy with this top. The material is not cotton, it's kind of a polyester or jersey kind of a material, I don't know. So yeah, पीछे यहाँ पे elastic है, like also it has this very long and puffy sleeve, and shoulder and hand पे यहाँ पे end पे elastic है as usual. I am in the size small and it fits me perfectly. It's body hugging. It's already cropped, like you can see. It has this adjustable string in the front, so you can adjust it according to you and make it super cropped. Also the price of this one was 999. I love this top and it has my heart, guys. The next item I got is this plain black hoodie, and I think if you follow me on my Instagram you definitely know about this hoodie. इसके ऊपर ये sunflower मैंने पेंट की है, ये plain black ही थी, and इसके सामने यहाँ पे pockets हैं, and I really wanted a plain black hoodie, but when I got it I was like, you know what, let's just paint on it, and I am so happy that I painted on it. It's super appropriate for winters. The material is super comfortable, soft and super warm अंदर से. So yeah, if you are looking for like a perfect winter hoodie, you should check out the H&M hoodies. The price of the hoodie was 1500 rupees, 1499 rupees. So yeah, and these are the all clothing items I got. Now moving on, the only bag I got from H&M, which was on sale, so I got it. Plan नहीं थी कोई खरीदने की, but it was super cheap and I wanted this kind of bag so much from last year, but they were so expensive. But I finally got this one in so cheap price, but unfortunately I think ये भी out of stock है, so मुझे ये भी नहीं मिली, so I can't put the link in the description. So yeah, ये बस plain एक bag है and अंदर बहुत space है, and as I said it was on sale, so the price I paid for this bag is just 779, but इसका actual price थी I guess 1300 rupees. So yeah, so the next item I got is this footwear. Okay, it's this brown sling bags. sandals or whatever this called. And you know brown is such a versatile color guys, so I had to get this one. इसका orange color भी थी, I think that was a tangy orange. I am in the size 39 and the price of this one was I think 1300 rupees. It's so well made and I love the quality, I love the color, and yeah. And the next item I got is this one. It's like strappy sandals and it has this squared, I don't know, square front or square toe, I don't know what it's called, but इसको मैंने बहुत बार पहनी हुई है. So yeah, and I am in the size 40 of this one. ये भी मुझे discounted price में मिली थी because it was on sale. The price I paid for this one was 479 but the actual price is 800 rupees I think. And that's all about my H&M haul. I am so happy with my all purchases. मुझे कोई complaint नहीं है except one. As I said, their size chart. It's so confusing guys. If you know how confusing it is. But yeah, you have to do your own research. So yeah, that is all about this video and I hope it was entertaining and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below and do let me know which product did you like the most. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Share this video with your friends and family and see you on my next video. Bye.